Good Friday morning. We are here at the ABC 27 Weather Center bringing you a quick update on the storms that are on the way for this afternoon. We are looking at potential for some strong to severe thunderstorms through the second half of today, mainly for southwest Georgia, but that does include most of us here in the Big Bend and through southern Georgia. Doesn't really look like a severe weather day. When you look outside over Doak Campbell Stadium on the weather stem camera, you can see blue skies and sunshine. Now that sunshine's allowing temperatures to warm up for us this morning. That'll provide us with a little bit more instability and some more energy for those storms to get strong through the afternoon as they approach in from the west. They are currently working in from the west as we speak. We'll check out the radar for you in a sec, but we are looking at that severe weather potential throughout the afternoon and this evening. That could begin as early as the next 2 hours or so once that rain begins. Late this weekend, we will clear and dry out. We'll give you a quick look at that 7-day forecast, but for the most part, we're talking about these showers and thunderstorms that are on the way. Now, this morning we woke up with dense fog, and that limited the warming, but that fog has cleared away. We just looked outside over Doak. That's allowing these temperatures in the 60s to get up into the 70s. Should stay in the 70s for a high before that rain moves in. Now, the satellite's going to show you the visibility in the clouds, which we did start off with that dense fog, but most of it's cleared away, and that's allowing for sunshine. Now, the thicker clouds ahead of the storms, those are beginning to work into the tri-state area, and that's where the rain will begin first. Radar up in that area, you can see heavy rain and some really strong straight line winds so far associated with these storms. Now, there have been some sporadic tornado warnings embedded in that squall line and some tornado warnings off to the west, but so far this has looked like mainly a gusty wind and heavy rainfall threat. Now, you see all those darker reds, those almost purples, small hail possible where you see those yellow flashing polygons. Those are severe thunderstorm warnings moving into lower Alabama and west Georgia. Also, about 1 to 3 inches of rain just in this line of storm. So you could see some really quick ponding, maybe some localized flooding on roads where this line passes through. Zoomed out, a lot of thunder, a lot of lightning. All those flashes you see as they are on the screen, that's over a 30-minute time span. And you can see the bulk of that rain, that's crossing through parts of central Alabama into lower Alabama near Troy toward Dothan into the western panhandle. First areas that'll be impacted by all this rain is going to be our southwest Georgia counties. Current time just after 11 a.m. We're looking more at that early afternoon time frame toward 1, 2 o'clock is when a lot of this activity is going to begin for our western counties. Now, a heads up, if you live along I-75, you might not even see much of this rain today because not only will it arrive way later, but we are expecting this complex of storms to gradually weaken and break up as it works into our area, especially as the sun sets. But Storm Prediction Center upgraded that convective outlook, their severe weather threat, to an enhanced risk. Now, if you are familiar with these, this is what we saw last week when we had some active weather Friday night into Saturday morning. And that's going to be for our Flint River counties up toward Miller, Decatur, Seminole, Baker, Mitchell counties, and Jackson County. Further west in the panhandle, that threat is a bit higher. So again, with the slight risk in effect for most of us and a marginal risk further east, you can kind of just tell by looking at that outlook that we are expecting a bit of a weakening trend through the late afternoon and the evening. Storm Prediction Center has been issuing tornado watches this morning. They were in effect for southern Louisiana and Mississippi, still in effect for southern Mississippi, but they've begun to get a little expanded closer to us. Lower Alabama and parts of the western panhandle, including areas like Pensacola, are currently under a tornado watch until 3 p.m. We're going to keep our eyes and see if these do get issued further east, maybe a severe thunderstorm watch for the afternoon. But right now, no watches, no warnings in effect for our local coverage area. Now, here's a look at the forecast in focus. Once you get toward 2, 3 o'clock, we're seeing those showers and thunderstorms bleed into our tri-state areas, and that's when that rain picks up. Here you go toward 5, 6 p.m. We're seeing some really strong storms expected up through southern Georgia. And again, our highest local threat is in that tri-state areas for regions north and west of Tallahassee. By the time a lot of this rain starts to creep further east into our coverage area, the sun will be setting. You'll be losing that instability, which provides energy for thunderstorms to stay strong, and we will see some weakening. But a few lingering shower storms are expected to stick around through the overnight hours with lower severe potential. Once this cold front kicks in, which is trailing behind these storms, so again, those storms moving in now, this is not the actual cold front. That'll push through overnight. And once the sun comes up tomorrow, you're going to get that instability back. That will allow for some storms to fire up along this cold front boundary through parts of our area. And that's going to be through your Saturday late morning into the afternoon before they eventually pull away off toward the northeast and you dry out Saturday night. For Saturday, Storm Prediction Center also has the eastern half with that lower severe threat today for a slight risk tomorrow. And that's mainly going to be toward the late morning and afternoon hours. Once we see the sun come up and the temperatures climb and you get some of that instability, that boundary will allow forcing for storms to form, and that's when we could see some strong storms further east. Now, by tomorrow, that threat should be cleared out for our tri-state areas that are looking at the strongest storms in the forecast for today. We'll be in the Weather Center all day for you tracking these storms. And a reminder, if there is a tornado warning issued, we will be on air and online on our app at OTT platforms, on Facebook Live, and on ABC 27 streaming as long as any of those warnings have been issued. We'll also have another radar update for you here coming up at noon on ABC 27 at midday. I'm going to keep the rain chance at 60% for today, tomorrow. Overnight, a few lingering showers and storms are possible as well, but again, that severe potential is likely a little bit lower. Once that second round clears out tomorrow, cooler air filters in by Sunday and Monday morning. Back in the 40s, highs will be in the 70s. You get some quiet, calm, pleasant weather for Sunday through Tuesday. Middle of next week, we are looking at another potential round of storms. Just a reminder, if you do want more updates, we'll be providing them on social media, and we will have the latest forecast for you and check at the radar coming up at noon on ABC 27 for midday.